What's up guys, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel for another video. So today I'm just gonna play with all the makeup. I have tons of new makeup and it's been so long since I sat down and just done makeup with you guys. So I'm super excited just to get into it, and I came up with this look. You'll see that it wasn't necessarily super easy, but we got here and it turned out great. So if you want to see how I got this look, definitely keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave and definitely like this video. It does really help me out. And yeah, let's get into some makeup. So let's do some makeup. And Chase is back. Let's do some makeup. I have tons of new products from the new, what collection is this? The new Garden Variety collection from Colourpop. I have a bunch of their new jelly shadows too. I have a new Violet Voss palette, a new highlighter from Benefit, new products from Dominque Cosmetics. I have a new eyebrow pencil, new lip liner, new lip products. So yeah, so we're just gonna go right into it, and I'm not even gonna be able to use everything. So I'm gonna start out by doing my brows, and I am going to do the soap brow look. So I'm just going to take a spoolie, and I like to use this Got To Be glue. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of glue on the spoolie, kind of brush it all in there. So I'm going to start by just running this through my hairs and combing upward. Okay, now kind of what I like to do is just take my spoolie and just, or my finger, and still go back and make sure we're fluffed to the best ability. I will go in with brow pen to fix up where there's any like issues. There's always one that looks better than the other. It's just how it is, let's be real. That's how everything goes when you're doing your brows. So, but they're nice and fluffy. Can't deny that. I did take some micellar water and just clean up the edges. Sometimes a little glue can get off the edges because I'm a little rough with it. We're gonna go with a new brow pen from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is what the tip looks like. I'm just gonna make my normal hair-like strokes. Oh, this is a dark color for me. This is medium brown. The real test is going to be how long this lasts me, because the glossy one I feel like I go through very quickly. I mean, I think it looks good. I mean, it filled in my brows really well. I still have that feathery effect. Alright guys, I'm back. I also just put some concealer on my top lids to prep for some eyeshadow. Yeah, we look a little pale. I look like a raccoon. It's okay. So I think I am gonna go in with the new Colourpop Garden Variety palette. Colourpop is just popping out the launches. I cannot keep up. This one just got me so excited. First off, the packaging is gorgeous. It has this raised like bubble texture to it. Overall, the collection just really spoke to me. I really liked all the products it came out with. I really like that it's very neutral, but it's also got those very mauve-y, bronzy tones. We have some greens, and there's also this gorgeous row of the purples down the middle, and I just love it. Let's look at these Jelly Much shadows that I got. This one is Segura. I love this color. So beautiful, just all over the lid. That would just be such a vibe. This one is in Sage Bundle. Okay, they all kind of look like this, guys. I just don't know. I feel like I'm not getting all the product that I should be getting. Wow, I love that. So, like the iridescent, it goes so well with my dress. It's like nice and blue. Okay, so I think we're gonna start with Prickly Please. It's in this upper corner. I also just got some new Sigma brushes. I'm gonna start with this one. I've had this one. This is the Practic. This is like a cheaper line that they have. It's their large blending brush. I really like it. I think it's huge. I love it. Let's go in with Over the Bloom. It's this shade right here. It actually has a little bit of reflect to it, I feel like. Just adding that in the crease as well on a smaller Sigma brush this time. Packing it on and then building it up. Okay, I don't know if I like this, guys. I may need to start over. I don't like this, guys. I'm just taking more of that transition shade and blending that into the pink to try to maybe tone it down a bit. We're gonna correct our mistakes and we're gonna go with the purple. Okay, so I'm going with a Stuck On You. I'm just gonna pack it on. This little flat brush. This is so flat. It gives like the perfect cut. Wow. Oh my gosh. I just feel like sometimes, you know, you don't necessarily need to match what you're wearing as long as you're happy and confident in your makeup. I think that's all that really should matter. I like how the purple is like pretty much just central on the eye, but I really like this purple shade. I'm gonna pretty much put this like all over my eye. We're gonna go in with that. I'm just making sure that's blending nicely. I'm actually think I'm gonna put a little bit of smudge off right in the middle to try to get them to mesh a little bit better. Just a little. All right guys, so this is what we're looking. I just thought I was recording and I wasn't. Took a wavelength and just did my little whoop-de-doop, as you know I like to do right here, and I just did that. Opened up my eyes even more. That looks pretty dang good to me. So now I'm gonna go in with some new products from Dominque Cosmetics. I was so eager to try these. This is her collab with JD8180, who is kind of a skincare YouTuber. I have been following Chris and Dominique on YouTube or subscribed to her channel for a while now. I love her. This is her brand, and I love watching her use her own products on her channel. She has very dry skin. She always says her skin is like the desert, and I'm like, oh, that sounds just like me. So I love watching her use these products. She just uses this to kind of hydrate her skin initially, and I probably should have done this before I did my eyes. So I'm just going to, oh my gosh, it smells delightful. Also, look at this. Like, I could just spray this for hours. I love this. So now I'm gonna go in with their Ultra Hydrating Complexion Primer. You guys know I'm a sucker for the milk primer, so we'll see how this goes. Everyone who's used this that I've watched has really liked it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. If you're bothered by scent, maybe this is not for you, but it smells like cucumber melon. Oh my god, I really like that. My skin feels so nice and smooth. I am gonna go in with the Ordinary foundation. I love this foundation too. No one talks about it, but it's super full coverage, it's super cheap, and I just think it wears so well. But I have never tried it with any other primer than the Ordinary primer, so I just kind of want to see how it works on my skin. I don't know when this video is going to go up. I may be moved into college by the time you guys see this, but I hope everyone is safe, and I know a lot of colleges have already had issues. It should be interesting trying to see what my filming setup is going to be at school. I've been trying to figure out what to do. So I'm going to go in with some concealer. Again, nothing new here. I didn't have every product brand new, but most products were. But I'm just going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I'm gonna try to blend this down first, and then go closer to my eye so I don't mess things up. Now I'm just gonna set that, and I have a new setting powder. I just got this little sample from Becca. I'll put the correct name in the description. Oh wow. Overall, my complexion is just very smooth. I'm just gonna go with my Milani bronzer. I love this stuff. I'm just gonna take this down the sides of my nose. I bought so many blushes recently. I bought a bunch of the new e.l.f. blush and highlighters. If you follow me on Instagram, I listed them and they're super cute. But I am gonna go in with this beautiful blush. It's in Tearing Up My Heart. This is actually the first time I've tried a Colourpop blush. Now I'm going to go in with highlighter, and I've been dying to get my hands on this highlighter. This is the Cookie highlighter from Benefit. I don't normally buy highlighters because I feel like the drugstore ones are just really good. This one is blinding on whoever I see use it, so I wanted to give it a try myself. Oh gosh, that's gorgeous. Hope you guys can see it. I promise you, like, it's literally blinding. I think I'm just gonna put this in my inner corner. I'm just gonna go back into the Garden Variety palette. I think I'm gonna put the purple under my eye. I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs mascara. It's what I've been using. Okay, I'm gonna set, and then I'm gonna do my lips. So I'm just gonna set my face with the same mist. Gonna press everything in. Now I'm gonna go in with this. This is a lip liner from the e.l.f. Retro Paradise collection. And then I'm gonna go in with this new lip oil. These are new from Colourpop. This is in the shade Blossom Out. It's like a pinky. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I love how things are looking. I did have some creasing already under the eyes, and so I'm not sure how that powder is gonna do or if it's gonna be my favorite for something under the eyes. I love the eyeshadow palette. I honestly love everything that we used today. I have no complaints. I love this lip oil. If you guys did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to my channel before you leave. Just click on down below. I would love for you to join my fam. Definitely follow me on Instagram. It's at allthingskate and it's K8. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun just getting back into playing makeup with you guys, testing new products. I loved it so much. So I will see you guys again next week. Have a nice and safe day.